Dear friends, live video number 51, letter addressed to Donald Trump, along with my latest publication in Pharma book is dispatched to him. The title of the book is Serism, the 21st Century God and Practices to Save Planet Beyond United Nations 17 Sustainable Developmental Goal. Bird is born, live journey purposefully, DNA the God of living bird, nature-centric the godly practices make United Nations a grand success. This book is dispatched on 16th of June 2025. Question arises, why I have dispatched this book to him, and what is this book? This book is published in September 2024 by Iterative International Publisher Karnataka. After publication, it was released on 3rd of November 2024 at Bagemahi, Jammu. Rajesh Pragotra ji, Professor Pragya Khanna ji, and many others, they released it, and next step was its concept was got published on 4th of November 2024, and content matter was disseminated through medium of brochures, nearly 2000 brochures on A3 piece were got published and distributed everywhere on this new concept on God and God practices. Our aim is to save the planet. This book is the compilation of hard work done over the years through mirror of science and technology, through mirror of constitution, through mirror of holy scripture. All the holy scriptures say that planet is supreme. It should be kept intact. United Nations has framed laws to protect it in 1972. In fact, in 1945, United Nations came into existence with the aim to save the planet. And science and technology say that DNA is the God of living bird. All the living values from these three concepts have been compiled. So to say, Shirism is the fulcrum holding the living values extracted from these three concepts: Holy Scripture, Constitution, and Science and Technology. The matter is also presented before JNK government and various government functionaries, and also in the center. This book is dispatched to United Nations and World Religious Parliament in 2024 itself through the medium of letter, Now, the information about this book is disseminated to various quarters who can make impact on the people. Very recently, war broke up. Following Pahalgam attack, we were disturbed, and message flashed from Donald Trump that nuclear war is averted, and he is acting as the superpower in whole of the world to stall the wars. Believing Donald Trump, the president of a technologically powerful country, we thought it worthwhile to write him, and also along with the copy of this book. The content matter reads as under. Subject: request to lead the bird nations for protecting overall planet health. We are asking him to protect the overall planet health. A non-fiction 2024 published book on new ideology, Shirism, enclosed for your kind perusal. Respected sir, We heartily appreciate your recent sincere endeavors so far stalling possible nuclear wars. Yet a lot is to be done that only you can make possible. We are fervently sure. In this regard, I am approaching through medium of this letter in reference efforts being made so far by largest two bird forums. First, the Bird Religious Parliament meeting on third Sunday of every January, and second, the United Nations pursuing 2015 UN 17 Sustainable Developmental Goal to be achieved by 2030 are falling short and look failing. As in the past, the existing parallel theocracies and use of deadly weapons with the aim to prove supremacy one above the others are failing the planet health. Presently, member states under United Nations are divided like the past failed League of Nations that had led to World War II. It looks the World War III has also started and turning deadly day by day. Following lifelong meditation, author has blended the living values extracted from holy scriptures of all religious holy scripture extracted from holy scripture of all religions. They say keep the planet health intact, constitution and science and technology into a new ideology, Shiism, described in the book titled below. Shiism 21st Century God and Practices to Save Planet Beyond United Nations 17 Sustainable Developmental Goal. Bird is born, live journey purposefully, DNA the God of living bird, nature centric, the godly practices make UN a grand success. Shiism aims to unite all parallel divides, whether religious, 4,000 recognized religions, or political, 195 member states under UN, and with the purpose to invite all investments on care and cure of overall planet health. Further objective is to eliminate the technological backwardness throughout in one go, starting from a strong platform, the dais of United Nations, up to public institutes, including religious places, inviting their services to all instead of politics. Come but may. Nobody is great above planet health. In our opinion, a superpower title earned being the champion of planet health is everlasting compared to the tools of theocracies and deadly wars currently being employed. Only your role in forefront. Look us the Bible hope to keep the planet health worth living. A copy of the same book is enclosed for your kind perusal and record. A copy each of this book is already communicated to United Nations Secretary General and World Religious Parliament. The response is yet awaited. Our aim to dispatch the books and the relevant material to various agencies is to bring their kind notice the new ideology which combines all the religious ideologies and bird nation to act as one force to save the planet. Now next we will ask the people you would be wiped out from this planet if you do not get awakened, and our next step would be to involve the people and with the urge to make a loud voice from the ground level, the religious places up to the United Nations to save the planet and to keep the planet health intact and the life going on this planet. Thank you.